I've always been a big dreamer. And so I packed up my whole life and I moved out here. Being new at MGM, I wanted to step into a leadership role. My job is to take data, find some recommendations and answers, and then deliver them to table games leadership. I have to convince them to change something that they've been doing for years. Well, how do I do that? What skills do I need to acquire? The best thing about LinkedIn Learning is whatever skill you think you need, you can just go in and type it in the search bar and a whole list of things will pop up to help you become a better you. Always dreaming bigger than what we are today. That is what keeps me learning. I believe that LinkedIn Learning has significant impact on my promotion. Without it, I would not be where I am today.